the Julie's World vlog. So hey, happy Wednesday. I guess doing shorter vlogs right now. Life is really busy. I have a ton of due dates and assignments, and I've been working really hard on all of my new online classes. So this is the last week for you to buy discounted classes. So I hope that you will join me. I'm really excited about everything I have to offer. I've been slaving away. But it's another short but fantastic week. At the end of the week, we go to Canyon Ranch for a little health spa. And during our road trip to Maine, there's I found a disturbing surprise on the drive. So I'm here at the new house, had a meeting with the contractor, and I thought that I would show you what is going to be our master bedroom, or with an ensuite bathroom eventually. So here it is, and you can see there's a weird shelf that's getting removed. This is the closet, and then there's another weird series of shelves. It only has 2 windows, but it has beautiful hardwood floors. And then there's this sort of screened-in porch here. You can see we're super close to the neighbors, which oddly enough, the floor, which is super beat up, has these like cement posts in it. So not like a fabulous space, but this is going to be the master bathroom. So I think that they were using it as a closet, the previous people, but I think it'll be really nice as a bathroom. We'll have to do something to the windows for some privacy because, hello. The basement is getting demoed starting, I think, on Monday. So things are actually really going to get started, which is super exciting. But we still haven't gotten the permits for the rest of the house, just the basement. So fingers crossed. So this is one of the upstairs 3rd floor bedrooms. I don't know if you can tell how small this is, but it's literally like, you know, here are my feet, 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe 5 steps, and I'm across the room. And there's this slanted ceiling, so super duper tiny. So this is maybe my favorite place of our new house. It's like a bird's nest. Let's see if I can. Yeah, where you're way above the ground. Isn't that a cool little porch? I'm really excited about this space. Efforts. Clearly you will throw and I will carve, and that is the deal that we will have, and then everybody will be happy. I just dropped my mom off at South Station. She's taking the train to go have Thanksgiving with my brother and his girlfriend, and then we're all going to meet up tomorrow. And in the meantime, Steve and I are off to Maine for Thanksgiving with his parents. We are in the car for our 2nd road trip in 2 days. Yesterday, Steve, I say we, but Steve does all the driving. But yesterday we drove up to Maine and back again to have lunch, to have Thanksgiving lunch with Steve's parents. And today we are headed out to Lenox to a weekend spa. My mom and my brother and his girlfriend were all meeting there for a little Thanksgiving wellness. So thanks for doing all the driving, Steve. Are you super excited?
Very excited. G58. 072.
Amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch
So one of the
like
coolest things about
me.
Canyon Ranch is that you can walk around in your bathrobe, which I am, which feels crazy in public to be walking around with sneakers and a bathrobe. But it's really nice. I just had a massage, you know. We've been exercising like crazy and eating healthy and feeling good. Thanks so much for watching, and I have a 2-day and a 1-day in-person scan and cut class coming up in San Diego, so look below for all the link details.